Assalamu alaikum. My name is Waseem Abbas. I have 4 years of experience in IT industry. Currently, I am working as mobile team lead at 𝗍𝗍. I was so lucky that I started my early career from Theta Solutions in 2017 as junior Android developer. I also done my certification in Android and .NET development, and I spent almost 2 years in Theta Solutions. That was my golden time because I learned very new tools, technologies, worked with some leading professionals, and learned some new leadership skills, and especially from service management. So if you are a student and want to be a professional, want to build your career as senior software engineer, then come and join Theta Trainings. I would highly recommend you to learn some coding skill or any other IT skill from Theta Trainings and get into the most arising industry of the world. Thank you.